Today is a joyous day. Today is a blessed day. Every day is a blessed day for me, but today is very exciting. Let me let you guys in on a little secret. Today's job is very exciting for me. You know why? Pro bono. When I mean pro bono, it's free. The customer don't get no charge for this job today. You know what I mean? Keep that to yourself. Me, myself, this wasn't something that was rehearsed. This is something I just found out. I just found out a couple hours ago. I came in and they said to me, hey, this is one of those jobs.
The way it started is I was getting these high bills, $500 and $600, $700 bills, $800 water bills. So I called them to find out why the last 4 or 5 bills were estimates, and I'm asking them why. So they told me the meter was not working. So they sent somebody out, and he came out and he changed the little box on the side of the house. And he said that they would be in touch. Now, I had to wait 3 months to get this appointment, and then all of a sudden, the next day I got a letter saying that we had to have the meter replaced ourselves or either water line replaced. They gave us like 3 different options in 45 days. So all the people I called, you know, they want to change the meter or either just do something real quick and fast, and they didn't want to do what Harris has done at all.
And I'm excited to know, right, that, you know, I could come in the community and say, you know what? I'm gonna do this for mama. It ain't gonna cost her a buck. It ain't gonna cost her nothing. You understand me? I know it's hard economic times on everybody out here. Everybody feeling the pinch. You understand me? From the baker to the plumber. Even the man out doing the 9 to 5. We all feeling it. But when you could go and you know you could just give something back and say, hey, hold up. You understand me? That's the good thing about it. That's why it's a good day for me. You understand me? We just gonna come here, we gonna change the lead line. We can get rid of our copper line, we gonna get in and we gonna get out. You understand me? God is good all the time. You have a flash on wonderful day.
The reason we dig in 3 hole is because the ground is tough and we can't blow tunnel that far. It's too far away. That's like 15 feet. So we gotta make a next hole in the middle of the two holes so it's closer. If you blow the tunnel that far, the blowpipe gonna get stuck, and when the blowpipe stuck, can't go nowhere. Still gonna have to break a next hole. So we just break it right now and get it over with. The main hole right now is the one that hasn't dug up yet, that I'm about to dig up right now. Because if we could have get from this hole next to the tree to that one, we don't have to break down. But we've been doing this for so long, we know we're not gonna make it, so we just do what's best. Make a next hole early, you know?
So what happens in the middle hole?
We gotta look for it. Somebody gotta go with a shovel underground and look for it. We could maybe hear it, then find it. If not, we have to make a next hole again so we can find it. But I don't think that's gonna happen today.
started working when I was 16, and I've never gotten anything for free. I called one day after Elvis came out, and the young lady I spoke to, I think her name was Nisha, and she was just like so sweet and kind and listened to what I was presenting, and that's how we got lucky enough to speak to someone at Harris, because I must have called like 4 or 5 different plumbers. A lot of them, they said they don't do the water main.
How long from when you had the conversation with Nisha to us coming to do the job? How long in between?
A week. 1 week. Originally, they were supposed to come, I think, on the 9th. And because they didn't get something from the city or a permit or something. And then, so that's why it defaulted to today. But it was real quick. After I spoke to them, they were on it like real quick. I don't even know how to say anything other than thank you to Harris. The girls in the office are awesome. Everybody I've spoken to there, when I called or when they called me, they've really been kind and understanding and listening. That is customer service at its utmost, because they really listen and they show that they care. I was like totally shocked. This has never happened to me, and I'm just overwhelmed right now. And even though I'm not feeling well, this has lifted my spirits a lot, and I really appreciate it. And I hope someday I'll be able to pay it forward. If I'm still alive, I'll be able to pay it forward, because I appreciate it.